What if the reason your life hasn't changed isn't because you're unlucky, but because you quit 5 minutes too early? He wanted results fast. Life taught him slowly. This is not a story about talent or shortcuts. It's a true, emotional lesson about patience, and the boy who learned it the hard way. Once upon a time, in a modest town in the United States, there lived a teenage boy named Lucas. He was 17, intelligent, ambitious, and restless. Lucas came from a hardworking but struggling family. His parents believed in effort and honesty, but Lucas believed in speed. He wanted success quickly. He wanted recognition now. While others talked about patience, Lucas felt time was his enemy. He watched people his age become popular online, earn money fast, and live exciting lives. Meanwhile, he studied, helped at home, and worked part-time, but saw no instant reward. Deep inside, Lucas felt angry at life. "I work hard," he told himself. "Why am I still stuck?" What Lucas didn't understand yet was that effort without patience feels like punishment. Lucas tried everything to escape waiting. He quit jobs that didn't pay fast enough. He abandoned skills because progress felt slow. He compared himself constantly, scrolling late at night, watching others win while he stayed still. Teachers told him he had potential. His father told him, "Good things take time." But Lucas heard only one thing: delay. Over time, frustration turned into doubt. Doubt turned into bitterness. He felt life was unfair to those who worked quietly. One evening, after failing an important opportunity he rushed through, Lucas exploded in anger. "What's the point of trying if nothing changes?" he shouted. That night, for the first time, Lucas felt truly lost, not because he failed, but because he didn't know how to wait. A week later, Lucas was forced to work extra hours at a local repair shop to help his family. The shop owner, Mr. Harris, was an old man with calm eyes and slow movements. Lucas hated the job. It was repetitive, boring, silent. Day after day, Lucas complained. One afternoon, frustrated, he asked Mr. Harris, "How did you survive doing the same thing for 40 years? The old man smiled and replied quietly, "I didn't survive it. I grew inside it." He then showed Lucas a small wooden table he had been crafting for years in spare moments, unfinished, imperfect but solid. "Every time I rushed," Mr. Harris said, "I ruined it. Only patience kept it standing." That sentence stayed with Lucas longer than any lecture ever had. If this emotional story is touching your heart and helping you learn English through powerful life lessons, subscribe to English Story Academy for emotional, interesting, and life-changing motivational stories. For the first time, Lucas tried something different. He stopped rushing. He chose one skill and stayed with it, even when it felt slow. He showed up to work without complaining. He studied even when progress felt invisible. Weeks passed. Nothing dramatic happened. Then months passed, and something changed inside him. Lucas felt calmer, stronger. He stopped measuring days by results and started measuring them by effort. One day, Mr. Harris handed Lucas the finished wooden table. "It's done," he said. Lucas touched it carefully. It was beautiful, not because it was perfect, but because it lasted. In that moment, Lucas understood something deeply. Patience doesn't delay success, it protects it. Time continued to move. Lucas improved quietly. Opportunities came. Not loudly, not suddenly, but steadily. A teacher noticed his consistency and helped him apply for a program he once would have quit halfway through. This time, Lucas stayed patient. He waited through rejections. He improved slowly. And eventually, he was accepted. His family cried, not because he won quickly, but because he didn't give up early. Lucas realized the truth. The world doesn't reward speed, it rewards endurance. While others burned out chasing fast wins, Lucas was still standing. Years later, Lucas returned to the repair shop. Mr. Harris was gone, but the wooden table still stood in the corner, unchanged, strong, patient. Lucas smiled. He finally understood the hardest lesson life teaches quietly. Patience is not weakness. It is strength under control. It is faith during silence. Lucas didn't become successful overnight, but he became unbreakable. And that changed everything. Moral of the story: patience doesn't make life slower. It makes success last longer. If this story inspired you, subscribe to English Story Academy for emotional, motivational stories that help you learn English and grow stronger every day.